You're about to watch the Polly Getmerts channel. Enjoy.
Polly here in the new house, and I'm gonna do a frozen pizza for you all. Been wanting to do a video from the minute we moved in, but we had to take care of business because when we left Michigan, we got rid of a lot of furniture, so we had to buy some new stuff. Dining room table, kitchenette table, bedroom furniture, living room furniture, and we got that done. So let's get in this one, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna do this new to me Cheez-It pizza. Bakes in 8 minutes. Pepperoni, of course. Whole milk, mozzarella, yellow cheddar, and marinara. Now, original Cheez-It flavored cracker thin crust. It's gonna have that Cheez-It crust. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I enjoy trying it. Made with 100% real cheese. Now, let's go for what I always look for. Oh, what do we got here? Well, of course, we got some bioengineered food ingredients. Oh boy. Now, let's get this thing in the oven, but before we do that, I gotta turn it on. So let's see if I can turn on this oven, this new oven here in the new house. What is this? It's a no-name Frigidaire. Let's see, bake. Instructions say 450 degrees. I gotta manually do this. I don't deserve this. Okay, start. Easy as that. So let's take a look at this frozen pizza as I pull it out of the box. On top of cardboard. Thin. Gonna open it up. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, very thin. Very Cheez-It looking underneath. It's pretty cool. Sadly, being a new oven, I have to put this directly on the middle rack and cook it for, what's it say, 8 to 10 minutes. Here goes nothing. Is there a timer on this? Let's see. I'll get the timer figured out eventually. Okay, it's been about 9 minutes. Got my pizza peel. Thank God. Let's get this thing out of the oven. See if I can do it without making a mess. See how nice that pizza peel comes into play. Wow, we got a little uneven cooking here. It's a little darker here than it is over here. That was the back of the oven. Not a showstopper. We'll turn this oven off, I think. Don't know anything about this oven. Now, I did not rearrange the living room furniture on top of this pizza, but it looks okay. We're gonna cut this into, we go thirds this way, and then I'll probably just do tic-tac-toe. Yeah, you get a little crunch when you cut it. Just like a cracker. Tick. Tack. Toe. Let's take a look at the bottom. Yeah. Looks like Cheez-It to me. Sitting down. You don't see me do that too often. I don't know. You never see me do that with the frozen pizza review. But yeah, it's a floppy one. Substantial amount of pepperoni on this pizza, which is good. So let's give it a try. I hope I like it. I think it's gonna be fun. Do it again. You know what? It is what it says it is. It's a pizza on a Cheez-It cracker, basically. not bad. So on the Pauly Detmer's 0 to 5 pepperoni scale, I'll give it a 2.5 because it's so fun. Yeah, I don't know if this is available everywhere in the US, but I didn't notice it until I got here in Foley, Alabama, at the Winn Dixie grocery store. Winn Dixie. It's kind of an old school looking grocery store inside. And so is Piggly Wiggly. 2.5. Thanks for watching.